Kundalini and heart chakra opening technique for self-love. This technique works very well when you do it with intention, attention and your presence. And this technique is powerful to open your heart chakra, especially when you are depressed and you are having too much of dark and dense energy in you. When you feel that you are lethargic, you have not much energy left in the body to feel loved. So if you want to love yourself, if you want to feel that your voice is coming from deep within, this technique worked for my students in different ways. One of the students got the benefit of his voice was clogged, his throat chakra was clogged, and he was able to express well after doing this technique for 100 times. I will teach you the technique and then you can do it on your own as you feel. First, you have to be with your breath for at least 20 counts, and the technique is to breathe in rhythmic way. That breathing technique is you have to inhale and exhale. Your complete inhalation and exhalation should happen. For example, if you are inhaling from the nose, then you are breathing like this. For example, you are inhaling. I'll use the finger to demonstrate to you how I am showing the inhalation. For example, the inhalation you are taking like this. Feel the complete inhalation happening. Be with the breath, each moment of the breath, and then exhale from the nose. So the breathing technique should be continuous, complete, rhythmic, and swinging and in like pendulum, moving from this to this. This is the first thing that you need to do. So I will do 3 rounds for you, and then you can practice it 20 times or 21 times to get the results. So you have to first become one with your breath in rhythmic order, one with your Kundalini energy and life force in you with this technique. After 21 rounds of doing this or doing it for 10 minutes continuously, you will feel that you are integrated in the body. So this is called moving with the breath technique that works for your integration and coming with the rhythm of life. Next is when you come with the rhythm of life, you will first time realize that you are the soul and you are responsible for your body's existence as long as you are in the body. So you will have a sense of responsibility to love yourself too. And with this knowing, you need to implement it energetically also. How to implement it energetically? The next technique, to detoxify your energy field, to throw away whatever is unwanted in your energy field, in your body, in your mind and in your energy channels. So how to do it? You have to inhale from your nose and push your hands upward as you inhale. So as you inhale from your nose, you will push your hands upward. I will show you first, then teach you the steps. So this you need to do. Inhale from the nose, take your hands up, exhale from the mouth, put your hands down and close your hands, make a fist out of this. And this you do it for 100 rounds, 100 times, 20 rounds, 5 sets you can do like this. Like this you can do it for 20 rounds, and 5 rounds when you do it, you will see that this is like an energy booster working for you to open your heart chakra. And when you talk and speak after that, you will feel that all the blockages in the body has been cleared. You can see clearly. It will increase your attention span, it will increase your focus, it will increase your productivity and concentration, and you can be energized immediately. So implement this technique and see the results for yourself. But if you want to learn it from me, then book your 20-minute session, learn the techniques with my energy power technique, you will be able to grow in your Kundalini journey much faster, and you will get the confidence also, because only the Guru can certify whether you are doing it correctly or not. So the presence of the master is required if you want to be a good student and progress in the Kundalini's journey. And each technique, when powered by me and done in my presence, has miracles for your health and happiness. Thank you and bye-bye.